飞拓，我们不仅是打火机设备研发专家，我们更是打火机生产工艺解决专家。
flame adjustment machinery is a set of integrated machines that automatically adjusts the height of flame to guarantee safety and usability. This process follows the gas filling process. The flame adjustment process is fully automated. Lighters are ignited first, and sensors check the heights of the flames. Then, geared units of the machinery lowers and heightens the flame so that all lighters have evenly adjusted flames. The fact that this machinery works on 10 lighters at a time in a pipelined manner enables us to produce 10,000 pieces an hour. Like the welding and gas filling machinery, the flame adjustment machinery is also designed by our own technology. Welding and gas filling machinery is a set of integrated machines that welds the body of gas lighter and insert assembly by ultrasonic wave. It also fills gas into the assembled welded unit. Unlike other manufacturers who use liquidated gas, we adopted a direct filling method so that we may process more than 3,500 pieces per hour. The direct filling method was invented by Ace Industrial Company and patented by the Korean government. This presents the uniqueness and the excellence of our technology. Our welding and gas filling machinery is designed to be fully automated, from transporting the body of the gas lighter to arranging welded units after the gas filling process to maximize the productivity and minimize defects. And importantly, the simple structure of machinery not only results in low cost, but also eases maintenance. Final assembling machinery is a set of integrated machines that combines flame adjustment rings and flint assembly. The flame adjustment ring is used to manually control the height of the flame, and the flint assembly is used to ignite the lighters. Every process of our final assembling machinery is also fully automated and able to produce 15,000 pieces per hour. Ace Industrial Company has accumulated a great deal of production technology to manufacture sophisticated machineries appropriate for mass production. It is a great pleasure to have a chance to introduce our machineries that are all invented by our superb and unique technology. Our fully automated machineries will guarantee strict accuracy and high productivity. In addition, low production and maintenance costs are guaranteed by eliminating a huge amount of labor requirements. We are quite sure that our machineries are the world best with their wonderful productivity and posting and arranging machinery is an automated machinery that posts stickers indicating trademark, warning, and other necessary notices on 10 pieces of lighters at a time, and arranges lighters on the tray for 50 pieces of lighters. Our cost-effective posting and arranging machinery was invented by our research and development team in order to swiftly process more than 30,000 lighters per hour. Insert assembling machinery is a set of integrated machines that automatically assembles the insert assembly, which will be combined with the body of lighter. Insert assembly is orderly consisted in many parts, including molded insert, hose assembly, sponge assembly, and nozzle assembly. The sponge assembly evaporates gas, and nozzle assembly controls the amount of gas that goes through the nozzle unit. The insert assembling machinery is designed and built for the most complicated process in the lighter production line. No machinery performing this kind of process can be found anywhere else. The fully automated insert assembling machinery can produce more than 10,000 units per hour, and that is achieved with all of our core technology.
飞拓，我们不仅是打火机设备研发专家，我们更是打火机生产工艺解决专家。